Hello everybody. Okay, so now we got a new one. Let me adjust the sound first. Okay, the same process, same project, but this case we replaced the ESP8266 with an ESP32 C3. And we replaced the LCD with an OLED screen. Okay. It's exactly the same principle. You can see here I've added extra. So what we have here, button push forward. It's London, New York, Los Angeles, Sydney. Tokyo was there already. Okay, I add Paris, and I added Milan. So now we have 8, okay, 8 city. So reset, back to Cape Town. So go back, Milan, Paris, go forward. Okay, Cape Town. So what we're practically going to do now, let me just show you. Okay, so here it's the same principle exactly, but just you need the Adafruit GFX and the SSD1306, which is here to initialize the OLED screen. Okay, this is the OLED width and height. It's 128/64. Here you put your username and password. This is at the city, and if you look at that, it's pretty simple. You just Paris is 1 hour behind Cape Town, so, and also Milan. So you just, what you do, you just comment, and then you add 1. Cape Town is 1 hour ahead. If it was the same time, it's -1. And time at 3,600 minutes, okay? And the same, it's the value for Milan. But it doesn't only stop here. So when you go down here, originally number was 6. So in order for the button, the current city +1. So here we had a number 6, so we moved to 8. And here as well, button left, you're going backwards now. So it's +1 backwards. And here again, must be 8. So you can add more empty space to add more data in later. But obviously I've got, now there were 6 CT, now there are 8. So we changed from 6 to 8. So these 3 numbers, if you add another 2 CT, they'll become 10. So you will have to change this one from 8 to 10, change this one from 8 to 10, and this one 8 to 10. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the CT that are added on with the correct time on the screen. Okay, so there is the same process. And yeah, here's a display. I set it to text 2. Sorry guys, I'm drinking coffee. Okay, so it's an ESP. And remember that the ESP, sometimes you need also, like most of the, except for the Arduino, the ESP you have to initialize, or actually Wire.begin, the pin for a SCL and SDA. Okay, in this case, I'm using 6 and 7, all right, and that's why I put them here. There we are, Wire.begin 7, which is ICA, SCL, and 6, which is a SDA. sorry, 7 is SDA, and 6 here as SELs. Okay, so there we are. If you don't do this, the screen is blank, or it won't update or initialize. Okay, so remember this with particularly all your GPIO on the ESP. Okay, so I think we've covered everything. We can go through this again. So we can only go backwards. Tokyo is 6 o'clock now. Sydney is 8 or 7. Los Angeles is 1 o'clock in the morning. New York is 4 o'clock in the morning. London is 9 o'clock in the morning. Cape Town is 11 o'clock, 2 hours different. Okay. Milan, it's 1 hour different from Cape Town, and so is Paris. Move forward, and if you press the reset button, it resets to Cape Town, which is my location.